I'm so sorry to bring this shocking news to you if you're Costa Rica interested to live and work here. Costa Rica work permits are super hard to gain, and jobs in Costa Rica are therefore mega challenging and not ideal, especially not for foreigners. Even locals are complaining about low payments. So what can you do if you're dreaming about being as long as possible in Costa Rica and make a living without a job, or other ways like Airbnb, or I don't know what, depending on your parents, or some savings. Okay, I am Muriel. Welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to share how I make my living as an example for inspiration on how you can be in Costa Rica, how you can work in Costa Rica without needing a work permit but still being legit here. Well, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, this is an open invite to do so by clicking on one of these links somewhere. There's a link in the corner. Tap it, tap the bell, so you get notified every time I upload a new video. It's always Costa Rica related, and it's my mission as a life and business coach who is earning her income since 2014 solidly online, and since that time also teaching people all over the world. It's my mission to tell people what is possible, because if you're still holding on to jobs as your income, especially jobs in Costa Rica, then you're kind of missing out on so much. So the biggest blockage a lot of people stumble upon if they are looking for Costa Rica work or jobs in Costa Rica is that it's kind of, they want to do it legally, right? So yeah, a work permit, it's a headache. I'm not gonna cover how to apply for work permits. There's others who know a lot more about it. But what I do know is that when you work online for a company that is founded, that is situated outside of Costa Rica, you are good to go. You have 100% green light for the Costa Rica government. That makes you a legit worker and earner. I am one of them. I do not have a business or a job in Costa Rica, and I make my money online. That is what you can do. Now, there is thousands of ways to make money online, and it's a too short video here to cover them all. But what I do know is that if you're completely new to the online business work, you want to learn more about it, the fastest way is literally tap one of the links below my video, especially the first one. If you want to hear it from me, you want to learn from me, there's a link below. But I can explain in a nutshell that a couple of ways that I would be able to do, I'm not doing them all, but I will be able to do, so I can explain a bit about it, about ways to earn online, is, for example, affiliate marketing. That is earning a commission, earning money when you sell someone else's product or service or coaching. And there is thousands or perhaps even millions kind of products online that you can partner up with companies. Companies like Amazon, although they pay super low commissions, but also like more in the private sphere or education, online learning. That's what I love. Affiliate marketing is super hot. Like, I assure you, if you buy products online, at least a couple of times you have bought through someone's affiliate link without you noticed it. So you just paid the normal price and someone else was like a key person in between, and that person earned a commission as a reward for bringing a client to a specific company. Okay, another way of working online, also to replace jobs in Costa Rica, is to be a freelancer. If you know stuff about web design or translating or some stuff that you can do online, virtual assistants work, yeah, you can attach yourself to platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr. The benefit of that is they provide you customers, clients. The disadvantage of that is that you pay with a percentage of your earnings. So this is why I always say, whatever that you do online, be sure, I have like two big dogs here standing between my camera and the tripod. I'm a little bit distracted. But the most valuable thing that you can learn, the highest paid skill in the world, is that you know how to attract strangers to the front door of your business. And that's called lead generation and generating traffic. Now, if this is super abacadabra for you, forget it. You don't need to understand everything. It just tells me that if you want to make a serious income online in Costa Rica, so you do not have to rely on jobs in Costa Rica because you are unable to get a Costa Rica work permit, then what I would do is, you can see it two ways. You can learn everything for free online. Literally. How? Well, YouTube. You're on YouTube. YouTube and Google. There you can find everything. Also what I teach, I put everything online. It's for free, but you have to find it and you have to organize it yourself. Takes a lot of time. This is what I did at the beginning. I was going from webinar to webinar. So, or it's going to take a lot of time, or you're going to invest in a mentor who has like organized training. That is working, so also should not be outdated. Of course, after like almost 2 years of struggle, that's what I did. So I learned traffic and lead generation from a mentor. And that was the green light for anything that I do online to be a success. Because the highest paid skill in the world is that you can run your own marketing. Just ask, I don't know, official traffic bureau who provide traffic and leads for you, what they charge to provide leads and traffic and stuff for your business. I will not be surprised if it will be between $10,000 and $20,000 per month. And then, if you do not have the knowledge, you can never double check if they do the work well. So this is the highest paid skill in the world, whether you are a freelancer or an affiliate marketer, or that's number 3, how I would be able to make my money online, and I actually do, is, oh, sorry, something between my teeth. It's coaching. So I started to teach what I had been learning. So this is my learning, doing, applying success model. Learn, do, teach. So this is what I basically started to do from day one. Learning, I invested in a mentor, and then I start to apply, I was doing it, and then I start to teach, and I use my social media platforms for it to create, follow, consistently posting, journaling, documenting, and that created trust. So this is how a lot of people will be willing to buy something from you without talking to you, without you have to convince them, because all your video content and all your value online will help them have enough trust to say yes to a certain product that you sell. Okay, so the sale is done not in a phone call or some closing deal. No, it's already done with what you provide online. So coaching is something that I started to do mid 2014, 15 as a paid coach. So with all the experience, people start to ask me more and more, can you teach me? I don't want to learn from the platforms that you refer me to. I want to learn from you, and this is how my coaching programs are born. But coaching, it doesn't matter if you know a lot about horses or dogs or cats. You can coach people if there is a demand for it, right? For example, I wish that there was a dog trainer here in my area, because I have 4 dogs and there's no dog trainer, but there's none. So there's a demand for it, but there is no one who is hearing the calling. Anyway, there are some other ways that you can earn money online. Of course, you can invest, but I'm not gonna go into this. I just want to stick to those 3: freelancing, affiliate marketing, and I forgot, and coaching. And I forgot that, of course, you can work online and earn online. Now, Jimmy has my notes. This is funny. I don't need them anymore, babe. Go eat them. You can work for a job, for a boss, for a company abroad. But I will not be able to work for a boss anymore. I'm job free since 2015. I'm officially unemployable. Now, in a nutshell, I hope to inspire you that if you have a dream about being long-term in Costa Rica or elsewhere, Start building the roof now while the sun is still shining. Do you still have a job? Do you still have a running income? Are you already a freelancer, but you kind of feel like how little bit you're being paid, because you have to pay these platforms as well? And if you feel that you can do more, I assure you, yes, you can do more, but there are some stuff, some skill sets that you need to learn. And that is marketing, traffic and lead generation, having strangers finding the front door, or whatever it is that you do online. And that's the whole key. Now, I hope to inspire you that I started from scratch knowing nothing. I was a social worker, remember? I was not tech skilled. I just started with a plan, first free stuff online, then I noticed how much sleep I was missing and I was not getting anywhere. Then I invested my money in a mentor, and then results start to hit in, and the rest is history. So be realistic. Do you want to succeed seriously? Hit me up, ask me for info, or look for a mentor that you trust who has the results and the lifestyle that you dream about, and ask them if they have a program. It's simple. And then who knows, I'm gonna meet you one day in Costa Rica. Thank you for watching. I hope this inspired you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'm looking forward to reading them. Bye.